Hey, Daily Dave community, it's Fun Friday. Last week, Gregory, Gabriel, and I enjoyed a fantastic indoor golf experience. It was an exciting adventure that offered much more than fun. Indoor golf is a great way to replace screen time with something engaging and interactive. We got to challenge ourselves, improve our skills, and most importantly, bond as a family. Indoor activities like golf is perfect for kids. They learn to aim, focus, and develop a sense of patience and strategy. Plus, it's a physical activity that keeps them active and moving. A healthy contrast to sitting in front of screens. One of the best parts of our indoor golf day was the chance to interact and communicate. We laughed, encouraged each other, and celebrated small wins. Indoor golf, it's a perfect way to involve kids in enjoyable and meaningful activities. So to recap, there is 4 advantages that we can learn and develop with this indoor golf activity. Social development, physical activity, mindfulness, and social interaction. Share your favorite indoor activity that replaced screen time. And tag the Real Pharma guy and use Daily Dave Fun Friday. Let's inspire each other.